welcome back to the page once again. This is Green Gold Farms. Hope everyone has had a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm basically going to be speaking about our monthly protocols, which is deworming, spraying them, and trimming up the hooves for general well-being. You know, every month we deworm them with multibendazole suspension 2.5. It's an oral suspension, so it's drops through their mouth. And we spray them with Army Trust 20%, which is what works for us. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So yes, watch the video. Hope you can learn a thing or two. Anything that we misses or we do wrong, like I always say, you can drop it in the comment section and we can learn from you, because no one knows everything. So we all learn from each other. So if I'm doing something wrong or something that you've done that works better for you, drop it in the comment section and let me know. And I hope that if whatever I'm doing, you can learn from that too. Hope that works for you too. So thanks again for watching the video. So that's what we're going to be doing for the animals today. And then closer. Sí. No sé. No cojo. Visa. Ay, no mucho, no.